A sales and incentive report is a document that provides an overview of sales performance and the associated incentives or rewards earned by individuals or teams within a company. It typically includes data such as sales performance, incentive structure, individual performance, incentive earnings, and comparative analysis. Overall, the sales and incentive report serves as a tool for management to monitor and analyze sales performance, motivate employees through incentive programs, and make informed decisions to drive growth and profitability. In today's video, we will see how we can create a sales and incentive report in Excel. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Mom. Let's start the video without any delays. This is the sales and incentive report which I have already created in advance. On the top, we have got months and year. For 12 months, I have created 12 sheets. And in the end, I have got annual or consolidated report. I'll come to January. In the very beginning, I have got employee details. After that, we have got the performance. And when we come to right hand side, all the entries for the whole month will be done over here. In case you want to do the entry daily or weekly, you can. Let's start creating a new sheet now. To create this sheet, we will need few data. And the data will be employee details, target achieved and incentive percentage. I have just taken some random figures. If the target will be achieved 90%, the incentive will be 0.5%. If the target will be achieved 100%, incentive will be 1% and so on. Over here I have taken the option of bonus. In case the sale will be 150%, the bonus will be added 2000. Means incentive plus bonus. After that I have got month and year. Let's come to blank sheet now. This is the blank sheet where we are going to create our format. On the top, we will create drop down for month and year. I'll click over here. We'll go to data, data validation. From here, I'll select list, source. I'll go to my setting sheet. We'll take this to left and we'll select months from January to December. And we'll do OK. So the drop down for months got created. I'll select January. Now I'll click over here. We'll go to data, data validation. I'll select list from here, source. I'll go to setting sheet. We'll take this to left and we'll select years from top to bottom and we'll do OK. So the drop down list for years got created. Let's come to right hand side. Over here we will insert our dates and days. The formula for first date will be totally different from rest of the dates. And the formula for first date will be plus or equal to date value, bracket open, double inverted comma 1, double inverted comma close, and I'll select month and I'll come to left hand side and we'll select year. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got some random figure. I'll select couple of cells. We'll press Ctrl 1 and the format cell dialog box will open. We'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format and we'll do OK. So our very first date is over here. Now we will insert the formula for second date and the formula will be plus or equal to if bracket open. I'll come to left hand side. We'll select first date. We'll press function F4 3 times. Is smaller than EO month means end of the month. We'll select first date once again. We'll press function F4 and the cell will be logged, comma 0, bracket close, comma. We'll select first date once again, plus 1, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So our second date is over here. Now we will insert the formula for days and the formula will be plus or equal to text, bracket open. We'll select the date, comma, double inverted comma, DDD, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. So our first weekday is over here. We'll drag this to second. Now we will select date and day and we'll drag this till end. So in the month of January, we got the date till 31st of Jan. When we will change the month, February. After 29th, we are able to see 1st of March and 2nd of March. Let's come to left hand side. We'll click on second date. We'll go to formula bar. We'll remove the dollar which is just before Q2 and we'll insert dollar between Q2. We'll hit enter. We'll drag this once again. And after 29th, dates got vanished. Let's come to left. We'll select from top to bottom and we'll select till last date. We'll leave it selected. We'll come to left hand side. We'll go to home, conditional formatting. From here, I'll select new rule. From the drop down, I'll select classic. We'll click over here and we'll go to use a formula to determine which cells to format. And our formula will be plus or equal to, we'll take this down, we'll click on very first day, we'll remove first dollar from here, is equal to double inverted comma SAT, means Saturday, double inverted comma close, I'll take this in bracket, plus bracket open, we'll click on first day once again, we'll remove the first dollar from here, is equal to double inverted comma SUN, means Sunday, double inverted comma close, bracket close, we'll take this up, we'll click on the drop down, customized format, we'll go to fill, and from here I'll select red color. Font color will be white, and we'll do OK. OK. So our Saturdays and Sundays got highlighted. Whenever the month will change, highlights of Saturdays and Sundays will change accordingly. We'll select this once again. We'll go to conditional formatting, new rule. From here I'll select classic, and from the drop down I'll select use a formula to determine which cells to format. We'll take this down. We'll come to left hand side and we'll click on first day. We'll remove the first dollar from here, is equal to double inverted comma twice for blank. We'll click on the drop down, customized format, we'll go to fill, from here I'll select red color, font color as red, and we'll do OK. OK. So our month ends got highlighted. 30th and 31st Jan is not highlighted, but as soon as I'll change the month, February, after 29th it got highlighted. We'll come to left, I'll insert some random figures over here. So we got all random figures over here now. We will come to left and we'll put our headings. Employee ID, employee name, designation, salary. We have got our employee details in setting sheet. So we will click over here, plus or equal to, we'll go to setting sheet and we'll click on first employee and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this down. We'll take this in left. Employee name. For employee name, designation and salary, we will use the formula of VLOOKUP. We'll go to employee name plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. Employee ID will be our lookup value. We'll press function F4 3 times, comma, table array. We will go to setting sheet and we'll select employee details from top. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged, comma, column index number or column number. We want employee's name. So employee name is in column number 2. I'll put 2 over here, comma 0 for exact match. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll go to formula bar and we'll insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, we'll come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice, bracket close, and I'll hit enter. Now I'll drag this to right, means till salary. In designation and salary we can see the name. So we will go to formula bar and we'll change column index number or column number. We will delete 2 and we'll put 3. Enter. Now we will click on salary. We'll go to formula bar. We'll delete 2 and we'll put 4. Enter. So the basic reason behind putting 3 and 4 in the column index number, we'll go to setting sheet. Over here employee ID is in column number 1. This is 2. Designation is in 3 and salary is in 4. So over here I had done 3 and over here I had done 4. I'll select this and we'll take this in left. Now I'll select all and we'll drag it down. Perfect. Now I'll click over here. This is target achieved, sales target, total sales. I'll click just under total sales, plus or equal to sum, bracket open. We'll come to right hand side and we'll click on first date of the month and we'll drag this to right and we'll select till 31st. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll come to left. Now we will drag this down. We'll copy target achieved, Ctrl+C or Command+C and we'll paste over here. And we'll put %, target achieved %. Incentive percentage, incentive amount. We'll adjust the column size. This will be bonus, total payment. This will be target achieved till date. Target achieved, we will press Alt and we'll hit enter. Now we will type till date. Perfect. Let's come to left hand side. Sales target. The entry of sales target will be done manually. So I'll select this and we'll highlight this in gray. We'll put some random figures over here. We'll select this and we'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to number and we'll select 1000 separator. We'll remove decimal places and we'll do OK. Now I'll take some random figures for all the employees. We'll select both and we'll drag it down. Target achieved percentage. I'll select from top to bottom. We'll go to home. We'll come in the center and we'll click on %sign. Now I'll click over here, plus or equal to total sales divided by target sales, and we will hit enter. So we got 40%. Before dragging this down, we will go to formula bar and we'll insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, will come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this down. Incentive percentage. All the criteria of incentives are over here in the settings sheet. So these are the criterias, and we will take all these criterias over here through VLOOKUP. Plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, target achieved. So target achieved will be our lookup value, comma, table array. We will go to settings sheet and we'll select this from top. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged, comma. Target achieved is in column number 1 and incentive percentage is in column number 2. So we will put 2 over here, comma. We are not going to put 0 over here as we don't want exact match. We want approximate match over here. So I'll put 1, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. I got some error over here. We'll click just under incentive. We'll go to formula bar and we'll insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, will come to the end, comma, double inverted comma, 0, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. Now we will drag this down. So over here all the incentives are 0. I'll come to right and we'll change some figures and we'll hit enter. I'll select this and we'll click on percentage sign. We got 3%. We'll come to left, incentive amount. So the formula will be plus or equal to total sales into percentage. We'll go to formula bar and we'll insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, comma, double inverted comma, 0, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. Now we will drag this down and we can see the amount in second employee. Bonus. We will insert the formula for bonus. But before that, we will be going to our settings sheet. Over here, we have got the criteria of bonus. If the sales will be above or equal to 150%, then only employee will be getting 2000 as bonus. But one thing to mention over here, I'll click on the top, means I'll click on the head. In formula bar, you will be able to see only 150% and not the text. So how I have done this? I'll change this to general format and we'll show you. We'll delete this and we'll type 150%. Enter. Now I'll click over here. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to custom. Over here we can see 0%. We'll click just before 0% and we'll type double inverted comma, bonus greater than or equal to double inverted comma close, space, has, and we will do OK. So we got the text just before 150%. Now let's go to our format and put the formula for bonus. Plus or equal to if, bracket open, target achieved percent is greater than, we'll come to settings sheet and we'll click over here on bonus 150%. We'll press function F4 and the cell will be logged, comma. When it will be 150%, what we want in return? We want 2000. So we'll press function F4 and the cell will be logged, comma. If it will not be 150%, what we want? We want blank or 0. So we'll put double inverted comma, 0, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we'll hit enter and we got 0. I'll drag this down. In the end where we haven't got the employee data, it's showing 2000. We'll click on the first cell, we'll go to formula bar and we'll insert the criteria of if. If, bracket open, target achieved is equal to blank, comma, what we want in return? We want blank. So we'll put double inverted comma twice once again, comma, we'll come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this down. Total payment. So what will be the total payment? It will be plus or equal to, come to the left, it will be total salary plus incentive amount plus bonus and we'll hit enter. Before dragging this down, we will go to formula bar and we'll insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, we'll come to the end, comma, double inverted comma, 0, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. Now we will drag this down. We'll come to right side, we'll click over here. This will be daily sales entry. Can insert arrow over here or sign of greater than. Now I'll click over here, target achieved till date, and this will be in percentage. So I'll select this from top to bottom. We'll go to home and we'll select percentage sign from here. And the formula will be plus or equal to We'll come to left. We'll click on total sales divided by sales target and we'll hit enter. We'll click over here and we'll go to formula bar and we'll insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, we'll come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this down. We'll come to left, target achieved. The formula will be plus or equal to if, bracket open, target achieved percentage is greater than or equal to 100%. If it will be greater than or equal to 100%, what we want in return? We want yes. So I'll put comma, double inverted comma, yes. Double inverted comma close, comma, if it will not be 100%, we want blank. So I'll put double inverted comma, dash or blank, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. I'll drag this down. We'll click on first employee, we'll go to formula bar and we'll insert the criteria of if. If, bracket open, target achieved percentage is equal to blank, comma, we want blank in return. So we will put double inverted comma twice once again, comma, we'll come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this down. Now we will select employee name and designation. We'll press Control. In case you are using MacBook, you will have to press Command. We'll select target achieved and we'll select target achieved percentage. We'll go to Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rule. From here we will select Classic and from the drop down we will select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. And the formula will be plus or equal to, we'll take this to right, target achieved, we'll delete dollar from center is equal to double inverted comma yes, double inverted comma close. If it will be yes, we will highlight this in green. So I'll select green fill with dark green text and we'll do OK. So the employee name, designation, target achieved and target achieved percentage got highlighted in green. We'll come to right and this sheet is ready now. I'll click on sheet's name, we'll press Alt and we'll drag this to plus sign and a duplicate sheet got created. Now I'll click over here and we'll rename the sheet February. We'll go on top and we'll change the month from here, February. We'll delete sales target, we'll come to right and we'll delete all the sales figure. And this sheet is empty now. We'll click on month's name, we'll press Alt and we'll drag this to plus sign. In the same way, we will create 12 sheet for 12 months and 1 sheet for annual. This will be March. We'll go on top and we'll change the month from here. In the same way, we will rename all the sheets till December. So all the sheets got renamed. This is annual. We'll come to right hand side. We'll select all the dates and we'll delete it. Delete. We'll come to left. We'll delete this. We'll unmerge cells and we'll drag it over here. We'll delete this also. We'll come to left. We'll insert few rows over here. We'll make it bigger. Now I'll copy this, Ctrl+C or Command+C and we'll paste over here. We'll delete the whole row. We'll delete this. We'll click over here just under sales target, plus or equal to. We'll go to January sheet and we'll click on sales target plus sales target of February plus sales target of March, and in the same way I'll connect till December. And I'll hit enter. I'll drag this down and we'll remove gray color from here. No fill. We'll drag this to total sales and we'll drag this down. We'll leave it selected. We'll copy this, Ctrl+C or Command+C and we'll paste in total payment, Ctrl+V or Command+V. Whatever changes will be done in the months, it will be added in annual automatically. So this format is ready now. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye-bye.